Hi everyone, my name is Leah from AudaCity Capital, and today I will be explaining the benefits of our funded trader program. So I'm just going to start by saying a bit about who we are and what our company does. So we are AudaCity Capital, and we are a prop trading firm founded in 2012, and we are currently located in central London. At the moment, we have over 800 active traders on our funded trader program, which provides capital to underfunded traders. Our funded trader program is for traders who are experienced and profitable but lack the funds to actually get the profit that they are looking for. So that is where AudaCity Capital comes in, and we give you the funds to begin trading the Forex market. Today I'm going to be explaining the benefits of having a funded account and joining AudaCity Capital's funded trader program. So I will cover a range of topics such as why it is good to have a funded account and what makes AudaCity Capital different from other prop trading firms. So the first and most obvious benefit of having a funded account is that you have a large amount of capital to begin trading with. So if you've ever struggled with investing your own money or worry about the risk of trading your own capital, then a funded program is for you. At AudaCity Capital, we provide up to $500,000 worth of company funds for you to begin trading the Forex market. So you're not risking any of your own money and you're not liable for any losses on the account. You are able to trade this money however you want as long as it is within our risk parameters and you can begin making profit within the Forex market. You don't need to worry about investing your own money into your trading or have to worry about the risk involved with trading your own money, as we provide the capital for you. When joining AudaCity Capital's funded trader program, there are no demo accounts or challenges that come with the account. If you are accepted through our interview process, you can begin trading immediately with our starting account of $15,000, which doubles at every 10% profit target reached. Trading with AudaCity Capital is quick and easy, and you do not have to pass any tests or challenges before you begin trading. Instead of a challenge or a demo account, we have an interview process, so if we believe that you're fit for our program, you can begin trading immediately and you do not have to worry about any long processes or time wasting. Another benefit of AudaCity Capital's funded trader program is that you're not micromanaged by us. You're free to use your own strategy and trade whenever you want as long as it's within our risk parameters. We allow overnight positions and weekend positions. However, with weekend positions, you must request this through our portal, and this will be passed to our risk management team who will accept or deny your request. We have traders from all over the world who trade at various different times. So the funded trader program is beneficial in the way that you can choose your own strategy and trade whenever you want. You get a sense of freedom with us. However, we do have a great support team, so they're there if you ever need them, and we also have a community app as well in which you can get advice from us and from other traders who are on the app as well, so you're not alone in the process. A great benefit of AudaCity Capital's funded trader program is that we do not use a broker. We use an institutional liquidity provider that allows us to benefit from deep liquidity in the market and tight spreads. We have no commissions or swaps on trades, which makes it great for traders. We also have no monthly payout dates. We have no time limits on when you can reach your 10% profit target. And when you hit your 10% profit target, you're able to withdraw your profits, and we split this 50-50. You don't have to wait till the end of the month to get paid. You can go as fast or slow as you want to reach your 10% profit target, and when it is reached, we pay you. Once you hit the 10%, your profits are paid and your account will also double in size alongside the lot size. So you will go from $15,000 to $30,000, from $30,000 to $60,000, and your lot size will double with this as well, such as 0.5 to 1 lot to 2 lots. Another benefit with AudaCity Capital's funded trader program is that you can be invited to our webinars with our head of training and our CEO, who will answer your questions and give you advice on your trading. As I said earlier, we also have our app full of traders and our staff who are also there to give you advice on your trading as well. AudaCity Capital's funded trader programs is one of the best programs out there for traders. We allow you to take your own reign over your account while also providing you endless support as well. Our program comes with many benefits for you and will really help you reach your potential and your success. I hope I've covered a lot of benefits with our Funded Trader program today, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.